Are you overwhelmed by breakouts, dullness, or constant irritation despite using expensive products? You're not alone. The problem might not be your skin type, it could be a routine. In this video, I'm breaking down 15 evidence-based skincare tips that can truly help you clear your skin. These are practical, dermatologist-informed habits that can make a real difference when followed consistently. Let's dive right in. 1. Keep your skincare routine to 4 steps. Simpler is smarter. Stick to just 4 essential steps: a gentle cleanser, a targeted treatment serum, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's all most people need. Overcomplicating your routine with too many serums, oils, and toners can irritate the skin and lead to breakouts. More products don't mean faster results, they often mean more problems. 2. Track your skincare progress. Don't guess. Skin improvements take time, and sometimes the changes are so gradual you don't notice them. Take a photo of your face in natural light once a week and jot down how your skin feels and reacts to each product. This will help you spot patterns, avoid unnecessary product switches, and make informed decisions instead of emotional ones. 3. Do your night skincare early. Don't wait until right before bed to apply your products. Your skin starts repairing itself as soon as the sun goes down, not just when you sleep. Doing your routine 1 to 2 hours before bed gives your skin time to absorb your products properly, especially active ingredients like retinol or AHAs, before they rub off on your pillow. 4. Don't pick your skin. Picking or popping pimples feels satisfying in the moment, but it introduces bacteria, damages the skin barrier, and almost always results in scars. If you feel the urge to pick, use a pimple patch or apply ice to reduce inflammation. Let your treatments work instead of your fingers. 5. Apply your skincare to your body too. Breakouts, texture, or hyperpigmentation aren't limited to your face. The same actives like salicylic acid, niacinamide, or azelaic acid can be applied to the back, chest, and shoulders. Just remember, body skin is usually thicker but sometimes more sensitive to actives. Start slow and moisturize well. 6. Skip your morning cleanser. If you wake up with normal or slightly oily skin, consider just rinsing with water instead of using a cleanser. Overcleansing, especially in the morning, strips your skin's natural oils and compromises the moisture barrier. If you have acne-prone skin, a damaged barrier means more breakouts, not fewer. 7. Limit how much hyaluronic acid you use. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is found in many moisturizers and serums already, especially those labeled hydrating or plumping. Adding more HA on top can actually backfire. In dry climates, it may draw water out of your skin if there's no moisture in the air, leaving you more dehydrated. Worse, excess HA can congest the skin and lead to breakouts. Use HA sparingly and always seal it with a proper moisturizer. 8. Change pillowcases and towels regularly. These are items you touch your face with every day, but rarely think about. Pillowcases and towels collect dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria. Change pillowcases every 3 to 4 days and use a fresh towel daily, especially if you're acne-prone. It's a small but powerful habit. 9. Focus your serums on one skin issue at a time. Don't try to tackle acne, dark spots, fine lines, and redness all at once. Choose one primary skin concern and find a serum that targets it, like azelaic acid for acne and pigmentation, or vitamin C for dullness and spots. Many treatment serums also contain secondary benefits like hydration or calming ingredients, so less is often more. 10. If you do nothing else, wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is the single most important step in any skincare routine. Without it, your skin is constantly fighting off UV damage, which worsens acne, pigmentation, sensitivity, and even accelerates aging. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and apply it every morning, even if it's cloudy or you're indoors most of the day. 11. Ditch physical scrubs. Use exfoliating acids instead. Physical exfoliants like walnut scrubs or apricot kernels can cause microscopic tears in your skin. They feel like they're working, but they often inflame the skin and make breakouts worse. Instead, use a chemical exfoliant like salicylic acid, great for acne, or lactic acid, gentler, more hydrating. Limit use to 2 to 3 times per week to avoid overexfoliation. 12. Spread out your active products during the week. Don't apply exfoliants, retinol, and vitamin C all in one night. It's too much for your skin to handle. Plan your week instead. Exfoliate on Monday and Friday, use retinol on Tuesday and Saturday, and leave the other days for hydration and repair. This cycle helps minimize irritation and increases the effectiveness of each ingredient. 13. Match your moisturizer to your environment. The right moisturizer depends on where you live. In hot and humid climates, a lightweight gel cream or water-based formula is ideal. In dry, cold places, you need richer creams with ingredients like shea butter or ceramides to lock in moisture. The wrong formula can either clog your pores or leave you flaky and tight. 14. Don't switch products too often. One of the biggest skincare mistakes people make is constantly changing products because they don't see immediate results. Most products take at least 4 to 6 weeks to show visible improvement. Jumping between formulas doesn't let your skin adjust, and you'll never know what's working or what's causing problems. 15. Always patch test new products. Before applying anything new to your full face, do a patch test behind your ear or along your jawline. Wait 24 to 48 hours to see if there's any redness, itching, or breakouts. This step is crucial if you're trying active ingredients like acids, retinoids, or essential oils. Healthy skin doesn't come from trendy products, it comes from consistent, thoughtful habits. These 15 tips aren't magic, but they work when followed with patience and care. So before you buy another serum or start another 10-step routine, ask yourself, have you mastered the basics? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck in the skincare struggle.